of the C-130 Hercules. This is the C-130J. Watch the nose come up nearly 25 degrees. From Trenton, Ontario, 436 Transport Squadron. This is the newest model of the C-130, the J model. It's slightly longer. It's got far advanced aviation electronics, or avionics, in it. And it can reach speeds of over 350 miles per hour. Today, we'll see one just over 300 miles per hour. Captain Belhammer is the aircraft commander. The first officers, Captain Pollock and Captain Albusi. The loadmaster, Warrant Officer McLean. And the crew chief is Corporal Kendall. The heavy lifting done by the United States Air Force now is done by 3 different kinds of airplanes. The C-130, which exhibits extremely good short field and landing capabilities and takeoff capabilities. In 1968, the largest aircraft in the Air Force inventory was put into service and first flown, and that was the Lockheed C-5 Galaxy. That airplane, huge airplane, weighs in at a whopping 858,000 pounds. But then, they needed another airplane, something that combined the heavy lifting capabilities of the C-5 Galaxy and the short takeoff and landing capabilities of the C-130 Hercules. So in September of 1991, the first flight took place of the C-17 Globemaster III. And I believe that's a C-17 on static display that you can see back there. With a 192-foot wingspan, 174 feet long, and 55 feet from the bottom of the tires to the top of the tail. Inside that airplane, they could put an M1 Abrams tank, 160 or 70,000 pounds of cargo, personnel, or equipment. Now, let's watch the C-130 Hercules with its 8-bladed propellers, giving it performance far better than the earlier models of this venerable design. And that's a wing wag. Cameras to the right. Hold them sideways. You get a better view of it when it comes by. Now Allison/Rolls-Royce airplane engines power this aircraft. It's also flown by the Coast Guard and the Marine Corps and the Navy. And as you can see, the Royal Air Force, Royal Canadian Air Force. Putting it into about 60 degrees of bank. When it touches down, they will reverse the angle of those blades to turn them into fans that push against the direction of rollout, and they'll be able to stop very quickly. And this is about as much noise as this airplane's ever going to make. Watch the nose pitch down when they get to a stop.